everyone, and today I'm going to be doing a really quick tutorial on how you can utilize your Bob Ross clear stamps in a more seasonal way. So today I have the cutest little devils, which are the adorable creatures that Bob Ross often talked about and even sometimes had on his show. I have some gray, just simply textured cardstock already here and already adhered it to my card. I have some of the elements cut out that I'm going to be decorating around the card. So the idea is I'm going to do some hand lettering in the middle and have my creatures on the outside, and I think I'm going to add a little bit of pizzazz to my creatures. So in order to do that though, I have to get started and get stamping. So I'm going to set stuff aside, and I'm going to take and there you have it, a really cute Bob Ross inspired winter critter Christmas card. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to hit us with the hashtag stamp with us so that we can see what you will create next. Thanks for watching.